Hey, what's up? Serena Appiah here from thriftdiving.com. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but thrift stores have gotten an unbelievable amount of stuff because people are simply getting rid of things that don't create joy in their life anymore. So today we are actually teaming up with Rust-Oleum and we are heading to the thrift store and we are going to find something that we can actually spray a little bit of joy into. These are super cute. One thing that I really like about this chair here is that it's got some caning here on the back that looks really good, and with a coat of spray paint, these would look really good. And when you find two of something at the thrift store, that is a good deal. It's got a little bit of damage to the back. I think we'll pass it for now. I think we can find something a little better. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, this is kind of cool. This could be like a standing desk, like a workstation. I like this. $15? Ooh. Oh, this is super cute too. With this coat of spray paint, this would be amazing. I think we're gonna get these for sure. Thank you. All right, it's gonna look gorgeous when we're done. Ooh.